Part 1 Explain financial services. No personal pronouns, roles used. Present tense. Actually, the financial advisors provide real-time portfolio analysis to help clients maximize returns efficiently. Past tense. Nevertheless, the product development team successfully launched a new wealth management platform last year that simplified investment tracking. Future tense. Additionally, the risk management department will introduce AI-driven assessment tools next quarter to enhance decision-making. For instance, present. For instance, the retirement planning specialists currently offer personalized plans tailored to individual risk profiles. Follow us for more interesting content like this.